guys, it's your girl Jessie Q here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now guys, excuse my homeless look today, but this is the beginning of a very long video. Not long in terms of how much hours y'all are gonna have to be watching this video, but long in terms of how much hours I am going to have to be doing this video. Today, as you guys can probably see from the title, I am going to be retightening my hair, and this is my second retightening since I've done my Sisterlocks, but it's my first time doing it myself. If you're wondering why I'm doing it myself, it's because I am not living in Trinidad at the moment, and in Dominica there are no certified Sisterlocks consultants. So thankfully I had the foresight to do some research on it before I left Trinidad, and I realized that that was the case, and I did a self-retightening course before I left Trinidad, right? So I actually got my self-retightening course done. I got my tools, I learned how to do it myself, and now I am able to do it myself. So this is my first time attempting my entire head. Obviously I would have done it in the self-retightening course, but I was just a few pieces here and there for learning purposes. So I have all my stuff today. I have my notebook. I got a little Sisterlocks notebook with all my notes. I have my Sisterlocks tools, and that is what they look like. I have two of them, and I have some, I call these duckbill clips. I don't know what other people call them, but this is what they look like. And I also have these, I call these hairdresser clips. And I have, you know, some hair things, and I also have a mirror that I got when I did my Sisterlocks course. So I have everything that I should need. A part of the course was also to give me another bottle of Sisterlocks starter shampoo and conditioner. So I also have that, which is great. So my hair is now currently wet because I just colored it. I did a quick color. I don't know if I'm 100% happy with how it came out, but it definitely looks better than it looked before. So my hair is wet, which is it's supposed to be, so that's good. We're on the right track to get started. Now I'm warning you guys, this is gonna take me, I want to hope 2 days, but in actuality it may be 3 days because it's currently 2:30 in the afternoon, so I'm starting late already. So before I get started, I just wanted to talk to you guys a bit about what's going on with my hair currently. So as part of the course, I learned how to separate my hair and all of that, and I'm going to get into that very shortly, but I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. So in the front hair, let me show you. So these are the side hair, and especially these are the side hair, but especially this. As you can see, this is not a lock. This lock, there's something called slippage where a lot of your lock unlocks. So let me show you one with slippage, which is like this. So this section of the lock is locked right now, and all of this is unlocked. So this is slippage. This just totally came undone, and I think that's because it slipped really quickly and I didn't fix it. So now I have to do this lock all over, and this may be about 2 locks, right? So that is something that I know I'm going to have to deal with on my hairline, especially. There's going to be a lot of slippage, and I just want to show you guys as much as possible from what I've learned. So yeah, let's get started. So now I'm going to start sectioning my hair. It's going to take a while just to make sure I get my sections properly, because that's important, and then we'll start with the actual retightening. I am just going to put on something on Netflix, and we're just going to time lapse this because guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be long. If I have something important to say, then I'm gonna say it, but other than that, it's a time lapse. So stay tuned and wish me luck. It's been about a good half an hour or so later. Yes, actually it's been a half an hour later, and I've finally finished sectioning my hair. It took so freaking long, oh my goodness. But I finally have my sections, and my hair is going to be like this for the next couple of days until I am finished with it. So I'm going to show you all. I'm just going to insert a picture right here of what my sections look like. Obviously I can't see to the back of my head, so I was just using my 2 mirrors to just kind of see. I hope my sections are straight. I hope my parts are straight. That's as best as I can do. So what I'm going to start with is this section in the back here. This was actually the section that I did my test locks with. So I'm going to start in the back and then make my way to the front. So guys, wish me luck. I'm already tired. I can't even explain to you guys. I already have a headache and I'm now about to start. I'm not complaining. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Let's go. Alright, so I'm about to start with this section in the back here. So I'm just gonna let it down, and my hair is already dry because my hair dries so quickly. I'm up in the camera like this because I just wanted to show you guys more of a close-up of what I'm doing, so you can at least see how to do it with one, and then you'll just see a time lapse of me doing the rest, I guess. So this is my Sisterlocks locking tool. It looks like, I don't know, a torch. And this part of it actually comes down to reveal the pin. I hope you guys are seeing it properly. So that's what it looks like. It comes down to reveal the pin, and guys, don't mind my fingers, it's just the diamond here. So you hook the lock at the end, you release this so it's secure, and then you go in from this way. And I have a 4-point locking method. My hair is locked in a 4-point, so that means I'm going this way, this way, this way, this way. So that's how it goes. So I'm going to start with the end here and try and show you guys as much as possible what it's like. So let's start with the first one. As you can see, it's extremely small. I hope you guys are seeing it properly. So I'm just going to pin all the rest of my hair away from it to make sure that I don't get any other hair. So I'm using my double pins as well as my little ones to pin any grains away, any of my baby hairs, so that it should just be the lock here, right? And this is all of my new growth. So I'm just going to pin the end like so. And the last time my hair was relocked, it stopped at a 12, so I'm going to start from a 3. I hope you guys are seeing. And to make sure that I fill up all the space, I just want to give it some, you know, pull it a bit here to make sure that I get all the space and there's no holes in my locks. And that's how I'm going to relock it. And for the most part, I want to stay to the center of my hair. I really hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. It's kind of hard to explain. It's my first time, man. So that is what it looks like, and it's really hard to show you guys this, so I'm just gonna time lapse it, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I'll probably do another example in the front, especially when I'm dealing with the slippage in the front. So I'll see you guys in some time. Although it is 5:15 and I just finished the first section. This is gonna take real long. Now granted, I did stop to have lunch at like 4:30, but still, well, I wish me luck. So I'm just gonna give you all some updates after every section basically. This one is cool. I see that I have one. Let me see if I can find it to show you guys. It looks really thin and it looks like it's gonna break off. So that, yep, see? Yeah, I was just about to tell you all that it looks like it's gonna break off, and it did. So I just lost my first lock. I don't know if that's something normal or not. I don't know what to make of it, but oh well. Alright guys, say bye to my first lock. Alright, so I just finished the second section. It is now 6:22. Going on to this one in the back. It's probably going to be a lot harder just because I can't actually see the back of my head at all. Like, I've been using my mirror to, you know, try and make things work, but I can't see the back of my head at all. So, well, I wish me luck. I'm tired. Hi guys, it's day 2 and I am about to start. The time is currently 10:30 a.m. So as you can see, I kept all my sections to sleep. I just used some, you know, rubber bands to keep them in place. I'm just going to show you guys how far I've reached in the back so you can see. So this is how far I've reached in the back. I got the 2 sections at the sides done and this middle section, and this is what I have left of the middle section to do. So I'm going to finish this middle section and then we move on to some other sections. I don't know if I'll be able to get it all done today. That's my hope, that's the plan. I'm starting a bit earlier today to give myself as much time as possible, but we'll see. Well, in all long, I haven't worn my hair like this. I'm feeling cute. Okay, I'm kidding. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start. All right, so it's now 12:03 and I've finally finished the back of my hair. This entire section to the back is finally finished. This entire thing. So obviously, needless to say, that took really long, but it's now half day and we still have a lot more to do. So I'm just gonna plait that up and then I'll probably start with this section here and make my way up. All right, update. It is 1:45 and I just finished this entire section right here. So now I'm going to go on to this section over here. My arms are tired, my finger hurts because of pulling this down all the time. And because I have nails, it hurts a lot, but try not to complain. Gonna keep going. See how far we can get. Alright, so time check. It's 4:30 and I just finished this section. Now, this time it wasn't a true representation of how long it took because I did stop to make lunch and all of that. So yeah, guys, I'm so tired. Anyway, so gonna put that up, then I'll probably do this section in the back here, and then I will have the front 3 sections to do later. I'm so tired. Moving on. All right, so it is 6:43 and I just finished this section on top here. So that's what it looks like. That's what we're working with. I'm tired. I think I'm going to do this section to the side here now, and after that it's just the middle front and this side. Guys, we're making it. We're almost done. I'm happy. I'm tired, but I'm happy. Hi guys, so it's day 3 and it is currently 11 a.m. I was able to finish this at about like 9:44 yesterday. I slowed down drastically because my husband came home and, you know, it wasn't just me alone anymore. So this section is done. Now I just have these 2 to do. I'm going to do this one now and leave this one for last, and be getting done with all of this today for sure. So yeah, let's move on to this section now and wish me luck, guys. All my neck is stiff, my bones hurt. I have a constant migraine. This is really hard. It is 1:40 and I just finished this side. I saw the front is like taking way longer than I thought. So this is the last section that I have to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause and eat some lunch and then finish the last section, guys. I'm really tired. This is really long. It is 6:42 and I am finally finished. It took me 3 days, but I'm finally done. So my hair is done. I just took out the little plaits that I had, so it's kind of weirdly sticking out, but I'm finally finished. You all have no idea how happy I am to be finally done, and the migraine that I've had all freaking day. Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for staying here with me for this very random video. I hope you all were able to see, you know, how I retighten my hair. I know I was supposed to show you all some of the repairs from the front, but I honestly forgot. But if you have any questions or you'd like me to do anything else, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below and I will try and do that. Right, so I hope this was informative, at least. I know not a lot of you all out there have Sisterlocks, but yeah, thank you for stopping by, and until the next time, namaste babies.